Bonjour, bonsoir. My name is Laura Roy, and I am one of two instructors teaching French 3 regular and 3 honors this semester. In this short video, I will introduce myself to you, also give you some information about the course. Here's my contact information. I recognized some of the last names on my roster, so I know that I've met some of you already. This is my 13th year here at Glenbard West. I've taught all the levels of French, and I'm excited to be working with Madame Calicote this year. She's teaching the other section of French 3, so we're working closely together. Here is some information about our grading policies this semester. We have 70% of the grade is going to be based on bigger projects and assignments that maybe the students work on over several days. With e-learning and some of this virtual learning, I believe we're going to be moving away from those classic quizzes and tests and get more towards projects and performance kind of assessments. 30% of the grade will be formative assignments, and those would be more like in-class activities to help practice what we're doing in class. And then there's always going to be a few little assignments that we put in Power School but don't actually count towards the grade. And that's just practicing skills. It's my job to make sure everyone is keeping up and working hard. Just a word about the 3 regular, 3 honors students being in the same classroom. The teachers, we will have 3 honors students do extra work. Their assessments they will need to show a little bit more work, more examples on all of their work. But really for the majority of the year, 3 regular and 3 honors will follow about the same path. It's just assessments and projects and maybe extra assignments that are a little bit different. Okay, this is also from the syllabus from this year. I just wanted to show you our plans for semester 1 and semester 2. In general, I would say that the whole goal of French 3 is to introduce more sophisticated verbs, grammar, vocabulary. Down in semester 2, in that kind of first and second unit, we'll be reading some novels. So we're moving from just sort of simple present, simple past in French 2 to more complex structures. The imparfait, the passé simple, which is a literary past tense. Hopefully at the very end of the year, we'll get to the plus que parfait. Madame Calicote taught French 2 last year, and so she and I talk about the things that students might not have completely finished at the end of the school year in March, April, May. So we know that that's a goal. We don't want the students to feel overwhelmed or like they missed out on anything. So we are definitely making sure that we pick up where we left off, reviewing things that students need to know. So no stress. We're all in this together. We know what was missing, and so we're going to address that this year. Some of the ways that we are helping students feel connected to each other and have some good engagement with the curriculum is we're using Zoom, and we're able to assign students breakout rooms. Maybe you've observed a little bit of that if you've checked out any of your children's lessons so far. There's really great apps that we can use. So Gimkit and Kahoot are wonderful for learning vocabulary. The students have everything they need, even just on their iPad. So using Notability to draw, to label, to take notes, of course. There's a lot of things that we incorporate on a daily basis to try to mix it up and make sure that students are still excited and paying attention and having some fun while they learn. Lastly, I just wanted to mention that I'm really interested in knowing how the students are feeling about what's going on. I know that it's a challenge to be working virtually. So at the end of the first week of school, I asked them to please fill out just some feedback so I know how things are going, and I'll continue to do that throughout the year. I am so excited to be teaching this class. It is such a fun level. the books we read, the projects that we do. It's a big year of growth, and I'm really excited that we'll be working together. So please let me know if you have any questions or anything at all, and I look forward to hopefully meeting you later on this school year. Goodbye, au revoir.